Hi guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and thank you so much for being in this video. In today's video, I just want to show you guys on simple methods on how to make soft and layered chapatis. So stick to this video. might watch it later. I want to say a big thank you for taking your time when I was in high school, Form 3, teaching me on how to make good chapatis, how to kanda it, to roll, to use cups if you don't know how to measure your water when you are making dough, so that you can avoid maji isizidi unga. You see, as the one who take that responsibility and taught me those skills. And now I am thankful and very great, because next time I'm going to compete in Chapati World Day. I don't know if it's Chapati World Day, but yes, I am international in making chapatis. So you continue with the cycle this way until you are done. So I am going to make mine very fast, guys. We are here and we want to roll our chapatis and show you how inaitwangaje kutoa chapati in circle way. It's not that not that si ngumu. Nimesahau, guys, I am tired. So you roll your chapatis like a pro, roll like a pro, roll like a pro. And here my pan is heating up, as you can see. Okay, and my chapatis kutoka very circle, sindio babe? Inakuanga very circle. Also, this is already tayari. Put on the pan, go to the next chapati, do that way, squeeze inside, put the flour on your rolling area, apply the little one on the cooking stick, and then do your magic. I'm sure if you try this recipe, you'll come back with a testimony.
How to get a perfect circle?
You first squeeze the dough, and then you apply a flour on your rolling stick, and this is a rolling pan, yes, and the rolling pan. So that's how you will get a perfect circle. Even if watu sema tukuli circle mara wasichana wanajua kupika chapati, wao hujifanya, ndio sisi lazima tujifanye. Okay, so that one is ready, and this one, for me, I am not going to use the oil right now. I just want to cook all of them. And then, guys, see zimeenda shule, group of schools. And then when I will start using oil to cook, I'm also going to show you venye zitakuwa na zile colors zenye watu husema ati umeweka